Stampers and Crafters, this is Melissa Laws from Melissa Stamps, and today I am bringing you another Valentine's Day project, and this is a fun one. I do these for my kids class project or kids class Valentines, and everybody gives sweets, so I like to give something savory, and these are always a big hit at craft shows too. So it's just a popcorn bag that I have put together. And one thing I will say, all of the stuff that I make for craft shows is pre-packaged, but these are not, so always wear gloves when you're putting your popcorn bags together so nobody gets sick. I'm going to set these aside and I'll show you how we make the tag. You are going to need a 2.5 inch white Whisper White circle, a 4 inch by 2 inch real red piece of cardstock. You'll need a 3 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch piece of Pool Party. You're going to need a 9 inch piece of 2 different types of ribbon. This ribbon came from Celebration from Stampin' Up! Last year. And then you'll need a 17 inch piece of another longer ribbon that you'll tie your bow with, and I use the stitched ribbon that's on clearance right now. And I know if you've watched my videos, you hear me say, oh, this is on clearance and this is on clearance. I'm a big proponent of clearance items, so that ribbon is right now on sale from Stampin' Up! And you'll need the ornamental tag topper, and what you'll do is you will put this in, your real red in, and you will punch the top of that. I also used the DSP from last year, the Sending Love DSP. Looks like this. You've seen this a couple of times in my videos. And I used these 2 pieces of paper, and I used the Sealed with Love stamp set, and this is how I store my stamps. I do stamps on this side and I do a magnetic strip with my dies on this side. But I used this die to cut this little envelope and this die to cut this envelope. And then I also used the Sending Love embellishments. These are the little wood hearts. And if you don't have these, you can see on these, I actually just used the heart from the Sealed with Love die set, and I cut a crumb cake heart out. So let's finish this up. It's a pretty quick project. You're going to glue your Pool Party. Well, maybe if the glue will work. Here I am with my trusty needle. One more time. Sorry about that. Okay, if that one doesn't want to work, we'll use another one. All right. You glue your Pool Party to your real red. I use the real red ink, and I did use the Happy Valentine's Day sentiment from the Sealed with Love set. And again, this circle is 2.5 inches wide. It's a little off. Let's do that again. Maybe I could aim a little better. There we go. And we will, I like to glue on this. I messed that up. Look at that. Still okay. That's why these little paper pieces are so handy. you fold up your envelope on 3 sides, and I use glue dots to secure the envelope. There's the first one. And it's so easy to fold these envelopes. The creases come out really well. You don't even need your bone folder for them. The bigger envelope takes 2 glue dots. And then you just glue them down on each side. Just like that. And then we'll take the heart and put it on here. These are great teachers' projects too, or teachers' gifts, and co-worker gifts if you like giving things to your co-workers, or church members, or whoever you like. So that's what this is going to look like. I'm going to put this one aside because it's drying, and I'm going to use this one to work with. Here's our little bag of popcorn. And what I do is I tie one ribbon first, it's a little bit thicker, and I tie this through here, and I wrap it, and then I come back around and tie it. And then we're going to do our bow. And it's that quick and that simple, and you can do 20 of these, 30 of these in an evening, and just get them ready for your kids' classroom or whoever you're making them for, and it's just such a great little project. If you need any supplies, you can go to melissastamps.com and get your supplies there in the Shop Now section of my website. And you can, if you would do so, like and subscribe to the video if you like the video, and I will see you again on Wednesday and Friday. Thanks so much.